Jetta. You're the winner of our spelling contest.
Great job, Jetta. Your medal sure is beautiful.
I know.
Hey, guys.
Hi, Charlie. Hello.
Wanna play soccer?
Sounds fun, but Mom and I are going shopping today.
I'll play, but I better take off my spelling champion medal first. Oh, would you please put this over on the bench for me, Emily Elizabeth? I don't want to lose my beautiful, shiny medal while I'm playing soccer.
Come on, let's play.
No, Mac. No tummy yummies in there. Just my shiny new medal. My medal! It's gone! And I bet I know who took it.
This right bone is great.
Yeah. I wish Cleo was here to help us chew it up.
Hi, you guys.
Wow. How'd you do that, Clifford?
Sorry I'm late. I was at the groomers.
Your new bow sure is shiny.
You could send a secret message with that bow.
A secret message?
With a bow?
Yeah, like Tiny did in the book Emily read me last night.
I'd love to be a detective like that. Wouldn't you, T?
I don't know. Would I have to wear a shiny bow?
Look, there's Jetta and Mac. Jetta looks kind of mad.
Hey, Mac. What's going on?
Oh, not much. Emily Elizabeth just stole Jetta's spelling medal, that's all.
What?
She took it from Jetta's sweater pocket at the park.
Emily Elizabeth would never take her medal.
I would never take your medal.
You were jealous because I won the spelling contest, so you stole it.
I did not. Maybe you dropped it on the way home or something.
Are you sure you didn't take it?
I promise.
I just can't believe it's gone.
Well, I could help you look for it, Jetta.
Okay. Let's go, Machiavelli. We're gonna find my medal.
Even though we already know who has it.
Mac really thinks Emily Elizabeth stole that medal.
We know Emily Elizabeth didn't take it.
I'm sure they'll find it.
Wait, what if we found it?
How could we do that?
We could be detectives.
Ooh, detectives, I love it.
We'll start by looking around the park.
Hold on.
This was the last place Jetta saw the medal. Do you smell anything?
Like what?
Like clues, T-Bone.
What's a clue?
Anything that will help lead us to Jetta's missing medal.
Oh. Achoo! Is this a clue?
Maybe.
Hey, there's a really strong smell here.
Whoa!
This is real close to the last place Jetta saw her medal.
Come on, let's follow the smell.
is getting stinkier now.
Cleo sure is a good sniffer.
I think she found Jetta's medal.
Stop sniffing me and go away.
That's not Jetta's medal. That's Jetta! Whoa!
Well, there's no medal over there. That's for sure.
Come on, let's go back to my house and work on a new plan.
I'm sorry we didn't find your medal.
My neck is just so bare without it. Are you absolutely positively sure you didn't take it, Emily?
I said I didn't, and it really hurts my feelings when you keep asking.
But when I gave you my sweater, it was in the pocket, and when I looked in my pocket later, it was gone.
I don't take things that don't belong to me.
Hey, where's my mirror? Give it back, Emily, right now.
I didn't take it.
Just give it back.
I don't have it, Jetta. I'm going home.
Oh, there's gotta be a way to prove Emily Elizabeth didn't take the medal.
She did it again, Clifford. This time she stole Jetta's mirror.
Cut it out, Mac.
It had to be her. She was the only one there.
You think she could have, Clifford? I mean, maybe she couldn't resist.
No, Emily Elizabeth didn't do anything wrong, but I'm gonna find out who did. Someone's taking things that don't belong to them, and we're gonna catch them.
Do you really think someone would try and steal your bow, Cleo?
Sure, humans love shiny stuff. Look, it's Emily Elizabeth. She's gonna take it.
No, she won't.
You lost your bow, Cleo. Let me put it back in your hair for you. There! It looks great. See ya.
She didn't take it, Cleo.
No, but I wish someone had.
Come on, guys. Let's put the bow back out on the sidewalk again and see if someone else takes it.
Oh my gosh, it's gone! Emily Elizabeth must have changed her mind and come back to take it.
She didn't take anything.
Okay, Emily Elizabeth. I'm gonna give you one more chance to return my medal and my mirror.
I didn't take it, Jetta. Why won't you believe me?
We've got to find that medal.
Look, there's a feather here where Cleo's bow used to be. Just like the one in the park. And that sound, I heard it at the ferry dock, and I heard it again when Cleo's bow was taken.
Good work, T. Those are just the clues we need.
It's that bird that's making all the noise, Clifford.
Wow. Emily Elizabeth has to see this.
Clifford, it's Jetta's medal. You found it. You found it. And look, there's her mirror and Cleo's shiny bow, too.
What are you doing, Emily Elizabeth?
Clifford found your medal, Jetta. What? That old seabird must have taken it. Some birds are very attracted to shiny things.
Oh, this is amazing!
I told you I didn't take it, Jetta. I wish you'd believed me.
Oh, I'm sorry. It just seemed like you did. But I guess it wasn't very fair of me to think that when I didn't know for sure.
At least there was one friend who never doubted me. The most loyal friend I could ever have, Clifford. Clifford! It's story time! You want to hear a speckle story, don't you? I thought so. He's your favorite. Today's story is Speckle and the Really Good Book. One day, Speckle was walking home with a new book. It was one he'd wanted to read for a long time, so he was delighted to have it at last. Darnell saw Speckle's book and said he wanted to read it as well. Speckle said he'd gladly loan it to Darnell when he was done. Then Luna saw the book. It was on her list of books she wanted to read. Speckle happily agreed to lend it to Luna when Darnell was done. When Robbie and Reba saw the book, they wanted to read it too. And they wondered how long it'd be until they'd get their turn. Then Speckle smiled and said he knew how they could all enjoy the book with no waiting at all. He'd read it out loud to them right now. Luna, Darnell, Robbie, and Reba agreed that that was a wonderful idea. And so, with listening ears on, they gathered round to discover the new book together. The end. That was a great story. Isn't reading fun? The best party ever. Thanks for helping me make this stuff for my party, Charlie. This is gonna be the best birthday I ever had.
No problem. Everyone will love these newspaper sea captain hats. Hoist anchor and trim the sails, First Mate Emily.
Aye, aye, Captain Charlie. We're off to search for a great white whale.
Woof, woof.
Make that a great red whale.
These beans in a paper cup make great music.
Emily! Have you seen my morning paper?
Has anyone seen the bowl of beans I left on the counter? I was gonna make soup.
Here's your newspaper, Dad.
And here are your beans, Mrs. Howard.
I guess we should have asked if we could use these things first.
I guess so.
Sorry. But you told us we could use stuff around the house for my birthday party decorations.
That's true.
We did. I think it's wonderful that you two are making all these things for your party by yourselves.
Charlie and I are even making up the games.
We're making everything. Except the cake, of course.
I'm making the cake. Emily's absolute favorite, chocolate swirl with vanilla frosting.
Thanks, Mom.
And I'll get these leaves raked up nice and tidy for you.
That's okay, Dad. Clifford's gonna take care of that for us. Thanks, Clifford. You're the best.
I'll get started on that cake.
Great. Can I lick the bowl?
Jumping in leaves sure is fun.
Let's make it one of the party games.
Cool.
You have got to be kidding. No moonboats? No pony rides? Not even a water slide? And you call that a party? Please. All the stuff at my birthday is going to be made by Charlie and me, Jetta. Obviously.
You don't have to buy stuff to have a great party. The important thing is to have fun.
Exactly. And you know what makes a party fun? Sparkle, excitement, pizzazz. Pizzazz?
Pizzazz?
You know, something really special.
I'm sorry, Emily, but what you've got here is just boring.
Oh, that's not true. We're gonna bob for apples, and we have party hats and musical instruments.
Uh-huh. Well, I wouldn't want to go to a party like that, and I don't think anyone else will either. I'm sorry. See you later, Emily Elizabeth.
What if she's right, Charlie? What if my party doesn't have pizzazz?
Don't listen to her, Emily. This party's going to be great. And we made it all ourselves.
You're right. It's like you said. The important thing is to have fun.
It's also important to have friends. So we better deliver these invitations. We can ride our bikes.
I know a faster way.
Emily Elizabeth to invite me to her boring old party. Oh well, I have nothing better to do that day.
Okay, Clifford. Next stop is Jetta's house.
Why are you going to invite Jetta?
She's my friend. She always comes to my birthday parties.
But she said herself she wouldn't want to come to a boring party like yours.
She did say she wouldn't want to come, didn't she? Okay, Clifford. We'll skip Jetta's house.
She's not inviting me.
Hey, hold it, you guys.
It's Jetta. She must have seen us go by her house.
I bet we hurt her feelings by not inviting her. Let's invite her now.
Okay, if she wants to come.
Hey, Jetta.
Hello, Emily Elizabeth.
Jetta, I want to...
I hope you aren't going to invite me to your party.
Well, yes,
Oh, I'm so sorry, but I've got another party to go to in the city. An amazing party with a water slide and all kinds of pizzazz.
Really?
Mm-hmm. So, thanks, but no thanks.
I guess you don't need to worry about Jetta anymore. She's got another party to go to.
Yeah, I guess so. But I still wish she'd come to ours.
Happy birthday, Emily.
Thanks, Mary. Hey, Emily. Hi, Vaz. Did you bring the tub I wanted to borrow for the apple bobbing?
Oh, no! I forgot it on my front porch. I'll go get it.
Okay. Wait, I think Clifford wants to help. Thanks, Clifford.
Hi, Mac. What are you doing here?
I live here, remember?
I just thought you'd be in the city at the big party with Jetta.
Big party? Oh, Jetta's not going to any party.
She's not?
Nope. She's in the house, moping around with nothing to do.
Really? I'll see you later, Mac.
Thank you so much, Clifford. Now we can bob for apples.
This sure is a great birthday party, Emily.
Yeah, it looks like everyone is really having fun. What is it, Clifford?
He wants to show us something.
I think it's time to re-invite Jetta to the party, Charlie.
I think you're right, Emily.
Hi, Jetta.
Oh, Emily Elizabeth. I'm just, waiting to be picked up from a big party.
Gee, Jetta, I was hoping you'd change your mind and you could come to my birthday party.
Oh?
Mm-hmm. Because I thought about it and you were right. My party did need pizzazz. So I decided to add a water slide after all.
You did?
A water slide? Really? Well, then, I suppose I could cancel my other plans.
Great.
I've got to hand it to you, Emily Elizabeth. You and Charlie really made this party into something special.
Thanks, Dad.
And the best part is, you thought of everything yourselves.
Whee! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Oh, my goodness. Oh, your party's really fun.
Thanks, Jetta.
Good thing you took my advice about adding a little pizzazz.
It was pretty good advice.
Thank you for inviting me, Emily Elizabeth. I guess a homemade party can be lots of fun.
Okay, kids, how about some birthday cake?
Make a wish and blow out the candles, Emily.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Emily! Oops, missed one.
Clifford! No!
How's that for pizzazz?
Thanks, Clifford. This is my best party ever. Clifford and I know that playing is a lot more fun when we share with our friends. That's why Clifford's big idea for today is sharing.
It's mine.
No, it's mine.
Oh, it's mine.
Mine.
I say it's mine. Oh, whoa! Ooh.
What's going on, T-Bone?
I found this toy first, but Cleo thinks it belongs to her.
No way. I found it and it's mine.
Maybe instead